This guide provides step-by-step instructions on canceling a renewal, particularly in situations where a transaction was submitted unintentionally, such as when a renewal was mistakenly checked out on the cart without the client's approval, or when the client lacks sufficient funds to proceed with the payment. The outlined process ensures you can manage such cases efficiently and prevent any unnecessary charges or complications. Let's begin. So, imagine this happened. You checked out your cart only to have your client realize they do not have the funds to pay for the renewal. Side note, no judgment. Times are tough and renewals aren't cheap. However, you will still need to cancel the submission in order to prevent us from processing and paying for the license. How can you cancel the submission? I'm glad you asked. Here's how. Navigate to the Renewals tab in the System interface. Utilize the search bar to input the register number of the recently submitted renewal. Then press Enter to filter and locate the associated record. Once identified, find the Edit button positioned at the far right end of the vehicle row and click on it to go into the Edit section of the record. In the Vehicle Edit section, scroll down to locate the Cancel button. Upon clicking it, the system will prompt you to enter a manager code. Provide the required code and select the Cancel Renewal option. A browser alert will then appear, notifying you that this action will remove the transaction from all reports, including the daily cash-up report. Confirm by selecting OK on both alerts. The system will redirect you to the Renewal screen, where the transaction will appear in active status, indicating its cancellation. Now, if you encountered a browser alert stating incorrect manager code or do not possess the required code, please contact the designated manager for assistance in canceling the transaction. The manager code is exclusively assigned by Renewonline to the individual who signed the agent agreement. It is at their sole discretion to share the code with trusted employees, ensuring security protocols are maintained. Renewonline will never share this code with any individual, but will proceed to notify retail management when requested therefore. So be sure to call your direct manager designated at your store for cancellation should the need ever arise. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We trust it provided valuable insights and clarified how to cancel a renewal effectively. Should you have any further questions or require additional assistance, please feel free to contact us at queries@renewonline.co.za. Alternatively, you are welcome to leave a comment with your inquiries, and we will respond promptly.